Ethical concerns related to the adoption of the AI systems. A significant amount of concern regarding the artificial intelligence systems arise from how it gets adopted in the real world. The full potential of the technology can only be implemented if everyone becomes a part of its network. An AI system is only as accurate and efficient as the amount of data it learns from. At the same time, fair and ethical use of this powerful technology is also very essential. Misuse of these systems can lead to grave consequences and disasters that must be avoided at all costs. Some of the critical ethical concerns related to the adoption of the AI systems are: concerns regarding job loss due to AI adoption. Since the introduction of AI, concerns regarding its implications on job availability has been in continuous discussions. However, there is no agreement on the issue. Some people are adamant that AI systems will reduce job availability, while others argue that jobs will increase. Some people simply don't expect any changes in job availability due to the growth of AI systems. Some of the reputed international firms conducted studies to find out more about the impact of AI on job availability. Some of them are as follows. McKinsey Global Institute. This institution has predicted that almost 40 million to 160 million women are going to be affected across the world due to the adoption of AI systems. They claim that jobs like clerical, secretarial, schedulers, bookkeepers, etc. are highly susceptible to automation, and almost 72% of such jobs are held by women in the developed economies alone. World Economic Forum. They studied the issue and said that by 2022, AI would lead to job loss of 75 million, but they claim that this will be offset by the 133 million new AI-related jobs which will be created during the same period. Increasing inequalities among population. The current economic system provides economic rewards based on contributions to the economy. This is true for all the economies, that is, capitalist, socialist, communist, mixed, etc. The direct consequence of AI adoption will be reduction in number of people required for doing certain specific jobs. This in turn will result in transfer of economic benefits from the persons doing these jobs to the companies managing the AI system. This will increase the income gaps and lead to concentration of economic benefit in the hands of the few individuals. Negative adoption of AI systems. History shows that human beings are capable of finding negative or evil uses of every technology ever discovered. This is also true for AI systems. In the hands of terrorists, it can become a potential tool for spreading terror. In the hands of cyber criminals, this can be a dream come true for their hacking and damaging needs. And in the hands of rival countries, these technologies can spell doom for us. Black box problem. AI systems, especially the ones based on neural networks, cannot explain the reasoning which they used for arriving at a peculiar decision or solution. Most of the time, even their creators cannot explain the process of the decision making. This is known as the black box problem. What happens inside the black box remains in the black box forever.